Hi all. In this session we are going to discuss about another variable. So till now we have discussed about the list value and the array. Now we are going to discuss about the random. So random is the variable you can give in the string. You can, if you want to identify value like password cases. If you just give the random number. Just we will see that how it will work. I just given the name v random. If I am given the string length is maybe any string which is having length is like 5. So what it will say now, when I given the random variable, insert insert the random variable, press F2 to insert the random variable. You can just, I'm saving it, running it. You can see it will give the 5, length is 5 for the string, so it will give the different every time. It will be like for password generation kind of things, it will be more useful. I'm just enabling this loop. Then you can see that if whenever, how many times if you run this loop, we'll see for 5 times, it will give the different values. It will not give the same value. You can see like it's a kind of password or some dynamic password setting, or those times you can use this random variable. You see here BFT, it will be not same and every time. It will give like a probability. It will give the probability every time. It will give the different random variable, different random string, depends upon string length. If you given string length is 10, then also it will give, let's see, oh, you see now 10 is string length, so every time it is coming different values. Another one is random number range. You can give the number also. Now you can see that the OTPs will come, right? If I given 10,000, in between 1 to it will be like 1000 to 10,000. So, or will give only 4-digit number, means 9,900. So what do generally OTP will come in 4 digits only, right? So you can see here random number I given, displaying 5 times. Nine five six three 16345962. This is the kind of thing your banks and so many places you can say that the OTP will come, right? Or 6-digit OTP will come. We'll see that maybe we'll get now. You can check also, it will not repeat the same number every time. So different numbers are coming every time. So this is the use of random thing. So random variable is completed. So now we covered almost every variables from the variable manager. This is called variable manager. You can see variable manager. We can define the value type and list type and the array and random. So in the task getter, total 4 types of variables will be there. So we covered almost everything. So this is fun. Then in the next session we are going to discuss about the what is the system variables are there. So how we can able to use the system variables. So these are all system variables. You can see here there is a lot of system variables are there. We'll discuss this topic on the system variables. And when coming to the next session, so you came to know that how to use these system variables and all. I think we already discussed the array rows and array columns. You can see these two here already covered. Array rows and array columns. You can see here total rows of array, total columns of array. It returns the number of rows selected array variable, returns the number of columns selected array variable. This is the integer value. We can see here that what is the use of array rows and array columns, and we are already verified. So then we will discuss the remaining variables also in the next session. Thanks for, please, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel.